Kindergarten and welcome to phonics. It's the beginning of the week, so we have a lot to do. We have some new things we're looking at. I know your teachers already went over their expectations of you being in your comfy focused spot. Your listening ears are turned all the way up. You are staying on mute, raising your hand to ask and answer questions. Your brain is ready to grow so big, you're going to have fun. There are materials you will use, so I will give your teacher the opportunity to pause the video in a moment for you to go get those materials if they'd like for you to have them now. Let's find out what we're doing in phonics today. Today in phonics, we are going to be introducing all of the alphabet cards. We're also going to be introducing 2 new letters. We'll review the ones from last week. We'll also review our sight words from last week. We'll learn 3 new sight words for this week. You'll get the opportunity to practice writing your name and your sight words on your writing board. We're going to learn how to write our 2 new letters tomorrow, and your exit ticket is all about alphabet review. Before we dive into all of our phonics fun, your teacher is going to pause the video and have you go get your dry erase board and your dry erase marker if you don't already have it, or they might wait until later. All right, let's get started. We are going to go through all 26 letters in the alphabet. You're going to repeat after me, and your teachers may do more of this today or during guided reading, and we'll look at these letters again. Are you ready? You're going to repeat after me, staying on mute and whispering into the screen if you know the letter and the sound. Ready? We're going to go through these quick. A, apple, a. B, bat, b. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. E, ed, f. F, fun, f. G, game, g. H, hat, h. I, itch, I. J, jug, j. K, kite, k. L, lamp, M, man, N, nut, O, octopus, P, pan, p. Q, U, queen, qu. R, rat, S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, wind, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. Fantastic. Your teacher might pause the video right now and review these some more, and we will see these again. Let's quickly look at our letters from last week. When a letter comes up, if you know the letter and the sound, I want you to say it to your screen, staying on mute unless your teacher asks you to come off mute. Ready? Get ready. B, bat, b. T, top, t. F, fun, f. Did you know them all? Those were all the letters that we learned last week. We have 2 new letters this week. Are you ready? Here we go. Our 2 new letters are M and N. We're going to start with the letter M first. This is the letter M. It makes the sound. It makes the sound. Notice how my lips go together when I make the sound. You try. You can also think of something yummy. And rub your belly. This is the letter M, and it makes the sound. This is the letter N, and it makes the sound. N, nut, M, An N sound can sound very similar, but they're not the same. M makes the Notice how my lips are together. The letter N makes the sound. Notice how my mouth is open and my tongue is up. You try. Great. One more time. That's the letter N. N, nut, Great job. We're going to work on writing the letter M and N in tomorrow's phonics lesson. But today, we're just focusing on the letter name and sound. Repeat after me. M, man, N, nut, Great. Now we're going to move to last week's sight words. We had 5 sight words last week. You are going to see the word pop up, and if you know the word, you can whisper it into your screen staying on mute unless your teacher asks you to come off of mute. Are you ready? Get set. First word. What's the word? A. What's the word? At. What's the word? By. What's the word? Me. What's the word? In. Great. A, at, by, me, in. Let's find out our new sight words for this week. We only have 3 words this week. Let's find out what they are. All right, these are our 3 words this week. Repeat after me. We are going to say the word, we're going to spell the word, and then we're going to say the word 3 times. My turn, your turn. So when I point to you, it's going to be your turn. Got it? All right, first word, the. T-H-E. The. Great. This is the word the. Next word, no. N-O. No, no, no. This is the word no. Last word, not. N-O-T. Not, not, not. Fantastic job. Your teacher may pause the video and go through these words some more. We will practice these all week long, so keep practicing them. Now it's your turn to use your whiteboard. Today on your whiteboard, you might be asked to practice your sight words. You will also be practicing your first name. Your teacher might give you other instructions to do as well, but now they're going to pause the video and give you some time with your writing board. All right. When you head to Seesaw today, your exit ticket is all about the alphabet. We went through the alphabet in the beginning of the lesson. We went through all of our letters, and today you're going to show what you know. You're going to see this chart in Seesaw, and you are going to record yourself saying the letter names and the sounds. Let's review them quick one more time. Ready? A apple A, B bat B, C cat K, D dog D, E ed E, F fun F, G game K, H hat H, I itch I, J jug J, K kite K, L lamp L, M man N nut N, O octopus A, P, pan, P, Q, U, queen, Q, R, rat, S, snake, S, T, top, T, U, V, van, V, W, win, W, X, fox, X, Y, yellow, Y, Z, zebra, Z. Woo! 26 letter names and sounds. And you're going to do that on Seesaw today. You're going to click the microphone and you're going to record you going through and saying your letter names and your sounds. Do the best you can. All right. See you later, guys.